Hello and welcome to another interesting class on this channel. In today's class, we'll be learning how to achieve the basic bodice block. So we'll be taking our vertical measurement, shoulder to bust, shoulder to under bust, and shoulder to waist. We'll be dividing our bust circumference, which is 38 into 2. We have 19 and a half. So I'm marking 19 and a half. Bust divided by 2, 19 and a half. And we'll be connecting it straight down this way. So we'll be drafting the back and the front inside this bust. We have our neck width to be 3 inches and our neck depth for the front is 3 inches. We'll connect the 2 points together this way. I'm marking 8 inches here, 8 inches, and I'm coming down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. You connect the 2 points together this way. For our shoulder, we have 15 divided by 2, we have 7 and a half. So that is what I'm marking there. And for our armhole depth, we're also marking 7 and a half. You can use your bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. That is 1.5 inches. You can use it for your armhole depth. But for me, I'm making use of shoulder divided by 2, which is 7 and a half. So we'll be taking the midpoint here. That is the center of this 19.5 because we are drafting the front and the back. This is the center. One side will be for the front, while the other side will be for the back. One side for the front, one side for the back. We'll be dividing this armhole depth into 2. We'll mark the midpoint and we are coming in by half an inch. We connect it straight to that point, half an inch, and finish it up with our curve ruler. This way. So shoulder to bust line, we want to mark a straight line there for our shoulder to bust. We measure the same thing from the back in order to achieve a straight line. So this is our shoulder to bust line. And this is shoulder to under bust line. We are marking it only at the front. So we are taking the same 3 inches for the neck width at the back. The same thing we did at the front. We came down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. And you connect it slanting this way. Shoulder divided by 2, we have 7 and a half. For our armhole depth, 7 and a half. This is for our armhole depth. And we draw in our back armhole this way. For our back neck depth, we have 1 inch. So we connect it to the 3 inches mark. Or you make use of your curve ruler. Our waist is 34 divided by 4. We have 8 and a half. So we have 1 inch for our darts. Our nipple to nipple is 4 inches. That is what I'm marking there. Our nipple to nipple 4 inches. you connect it straight. So we have 1 inch dart here, half an inch on both sides. We are coming down by 1 inch from the bust line, and you connect it to the half an inch mark on this side and also on the half an inch mark on the other side. This way, this is for our front dart. For the back, shoulder to waist is 15, while the front is 17. The front is longer by 2 inches, so we are connecting the back waistline, which is 15. You can see we have extra 2 inches there, so we'll be cutting it out later. We'll be cutting out that area. Our nipple to nipple, which is 4 inches, that's what I marked there, and you draw a straight line. The waist 34 divided by 48.5, we have 1 inch for our dart, which is okay for the back. We have half an inch on both sides. You can come down by 1 inch there or draw your dart straight to the bust line. You connect it this way. So this is it. You can alter the neckline later depending on what you want to achieve. So the extra 2 inches, we'll be taking it out as dart. You mark 1 inch from that bust line and connect it this way. This is our side bust dart, which is 2 inches. That is the difference between the front and the back. We'll cut it out now. So this is the basic. You can alter this pattern to achieve any style of your choice. When you fold in this dart, now the back and the front will align. They will now be equal. So this is how to go about it. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.